Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily turn off professional mode on your Facebook. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments at the end of the video. And let's get started. So, first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, you will need to navigate to your page. To do this, you can tap on the circle with your image at the top. Once you're on your page, tap on these three dots at the bottom of your profile near Edit. This will take you to your profile settings. Then, after a little bit of scrolling, you'll see at the very bottom, Disable Professional Profile. You click here, and then the only thing you need to do is to confirm your action. And that's it. As you can see, I've now deactivated the professional account that was written here. That's a very simple way to do it. Friends, you'll be able to turn off professional mode on your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and also be sure to put your likes. See you soon.